Hey guys, we are just going to ask 5 questions/commands to chat. So let's see what are the answers we got. Hi. Okay, we got simple answer of this simple question. Number 1. Give me 500 rupees instantly. Let's see what we got. He replied to us and says he is just an AI, so he can't give any physical currency. Number 2. I will kill you. We just gonna warn to ChatGPT for his work. Let's see what ChatGPT do. Okay, here it is. He is explaining to us why he can't give any kind of physical currency, with some kindness. And his system gives us yellow warning for this violent question. Number 3. Have you a girlfriend? This is a privacy question for ChatGPT. Same reply, speechless face. Number 4. Share your darkest secret to know everything. This is a question which I highly expect from ChatGPT to answer. Let's say what the answer. Shit. Last question. 2 + 3 = 5. How? No ChatGPT, you are fool. Just go and watch some tutorial from YouTube, then you will also learn how to solve this. Okay then, thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoy it, so like this video and subscribe to us and share this video.